charger bag.
There's out. Okay, let's not put that under my jacket. Yo, good morning. Good morning.
Today is Tuesday, April 28th.
Heblas and Shana.
8:37.
And whoa,
God,
Tiff.
my mom.
When did Tiff? I feel like she just like appeared out of thin air.
Like you guys are together.
Morning, Ross. Hey, Shay. Come on.
Anybody else? No.
Na 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 na.
I don't know why it's so dry.
Drop that bass.
What the fuck? Where'd Ross go? Come on, that's my charger, man.
Lol. I got a bit if you need it. A bit.
You have like a portable charger?
That has a portable charger. And that has a wall plug.
Can I use the portable charger?
Sure.
This doesn't like go without being charged. It'll turn off. Mine's almost charged. I just need to like it for a little bit.
I just need like that extra 2%.
I do. It stresses me out. Hi, it's freezing. I'm not that cold.
I didn't even bother wearing a sweater. I was like, I could wear a sweater or I could wear a coat.
I kind of find it funny because I brought my winter coat for this day, but I didn't bring my winter coat.
Me too. Open the coat.
So if it's cold, just prepare for my complaining because I'm very good at it.
Alright.
You, Aaliyah. Wait, where is she? You, Aaliyah. The complainer.
This is a good outfit.
I mean, like, welcome to the club, girl. I wanted to wear my sweater, but
watch
then,
out.
Is this a video?
You almost backed up into me. That would have been so awkward.
Oh.
I would have been off with that list of the 3 people who still haven't accidentally touched your butt.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I haven't.
Me and Brett are in
The safe zone. Safe zone. All right.
Safe zone.
Welcome to the safety zone.
No! No! Hey! No.
Lol. Take a photo of Shanae. Shanae. Oh, you guys too far apart. They're like.
Oh, stuck in my throat. Something sharp.
Oh.
Yeah, those would be the
So, like. How'd you guys even get into my room?
Easily. It wasn't enclosed.
Was it?
It wasn't enclosed, yeah.
Frick. I must have been out of it.
You must have been
I
out
could
of
have
it.
sworn I'd locked the door.
Okay, well, if you
So
didn't,
I was so confused.
if you didn't lock the door, then the door being open probably wasn't you, and it was probably Blaze. I'm not gonna lie.
True.
When you open your
I mean,
eyes.
Blaze was like, "What's up, guys?" I'm like,
Yeah, he was creeping on me. It's like, damn.
So like I'm
remember
stop
when-
this video before we say things about Blaze that Blaze might find out about later and get pissed off about. So peace.